Assalamualaikum. So for this week assignment is about using Scilab. So the first task is to use a sine wave with a frequency of 1 Hz to compose square, triangle and sawtooth wave. Okay, so the first one is to make the coding up for the sine wave. So here's the coding. So first we need to declare the pi equal to 3.142 in order for the Scilab to recognize the function. And then for here, the t indicates the 0. I set the time 0 to 10. And this 0.01 indicates the increment of 0 until 10, which means we start from 0, 0.01, 0.02 until 10. So here is the sine function in order to plot the sine graph. Okay, so I execute this. So here's my sine wave from the 0 until 10. Here 0 until 1, which means where I set the frequency to 1 Hz. Okay, the next one is square graph. So here I set the time 0 to 7, and here's the function. The function I refer from the square wave here using this function, and I plot it into this Scilab coding. So I execute this. Okay, here's the graph for the square graph for the second one. Okay, so the next one is sawtooth. Okay, the sawtooth, I set the time 0 to 7 to 0 to 7, and the function here I refer from this function. So I just plug in into the source, into sine nodes here, and then I execute this. Okay, so here's the sawtooth graph. Okay, the next one is the triangle one. Okay, so I set the time 0 to 7, and this is the function I refer from this triangle wave here. The function I plug in to this. I execute this. Okay, this is the graph triangle. Okay, for the second task is about I need to record my voice, which I said my name is Mira Arifin. So actually I use the free audio editor in order to record my voice. Okay, so here's the coding for the second task. Okay, so sample frequency I set to 22,000, 25 Hz, and this second line is to detect my location. Okay, so this one, okay, I plot the graph for my voice. Then this is the command to play the sound file. Okay, so if you look at this here, display frequency, sampling frequency, and this on the bit rate. This is for the one that the task required for me to bring the wavefast sampling frequency and the bit rate. So from here, okay, when I execute this, okay, so my name was out, my voice was heard when I execute this one. Okay, so from this display, you can see here, this is my sampling frequency, and this one is my bit rate, which means the sampling frequency times 16, which my bits. Okay, so that's all for the assignment for this week, assignment 2. Okay, that's all. Thank you.